Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming, boosting your system performance, giving you more FPS in games, reducing latency, reducing lag and stutter, reducing loading and startup times. Before we start with any optimizations, we are first going to create a system restore point, in case you want to reverse everything back. To do that, click on the search box in the taskbar. Type in, create a restore point. Click on it. Click on Configure. Check Turn on System Protection. Click Apply. Click OK. Click on Create. Name the restore point, for me it's going to be Backup. Click Create. Click Close. Click OK. Now to start things off, we are going to update the system drivers. For that, we are going to use an application called Driver Booster. You can download the free version or pay for a pro key. It's easy to download and install. The link will be in the description. Once you are in the application, click on Scan. A list of drivers will appear. Make sure to uncheck the graphics card driver. Then click on Update Now. Click OK. The application will start downloading and installing the drivers. After the application finishes updating the drivers, now we are going to install the graphics card driver. It's free and easy to download and install. The links will be in the description. After updating all the system drivers, click on the Start in the taskbar. Then click on Settings. Go to the Update and Security tab. Start the update to make sure you are running the latest version of Windows 10 with all the updates. After the update finishes, pause the Windows update for the maximum time. Then click on Delivery Optimization. Turn off allowed downloads from other PCs. Then click on Advanced Options. Check percentage of measured bandwidth. Then check these three limits. Change the value of each one to 5%. Then click on Home. Go to the System tab. Then click on Notifications and Actions. Turn off notifications. Uncheck these three options. Then click on Tablet. Set when I sign in to never use tablet mode. Set when I use this device as a tablet to don't switch to tablet mode. Then click on Change additional tablet settings. Turn off hide app icons on the taskbar. Then go back. Click on Multitasking. For the best performance, turn off snap windows, but if you are using it, keep it on. Turn off timeline. Set pressing Alt plus Tab shows to open windows only. Set on the taskbar, show windows that are open onto only the desktop I'm using. Set pressing Alt plus Tab shows windows that are open onto only the desktop I'm using. Then click on Shared Experiences. Turn off Share across devices. Then click on Remote Desktop. Turn off Remote Desktop unless you are using it. Then click on Home. Go to the Personalization tab. Then click on Colors. Turn off Transparency Effects. Then click on Home. Go to the Apps tab. In Apps and Features, uninstall any apps that you are no longer using or planning to use. Then click on Offline Maps. Turn off Metered Connections. Turn off Map Updates. Then click on Delete All Maps. Click Delete All. Then click on Apps for Websites. Turn off every app here. Then click on Startup. Turn off here any app you don't want it to start with your computer. Then click on Home. Go to the Gaming tab. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Uncheck this option unless you are using both. Then click on Captures. Turn off background recoding. Set maximum recording length to 30 minutes. Turn off recorded audio. Set video frame rate to 30 FPS. Set video quality to standard. Then click on Game Mode. Turn on Game Mode. Then click on Home. Go to the Ease of Access tab. In Display, turn off Show Animations in Windows. Then click on Magnifier. Turn off Use Magnifier. Then click on Narrator. Turn off Use Narrator. Uncheck Allow the shortcut key to start Narrator. Uncheck Minimize Narrator Home to the system tray. Then click on Home. Go to the Privacy tab. In General, turn off these four options. Speech, off. Inking and typing personalization, off. In Diagnostics and Feedback, set diagnostic data to required diagnostic data. Turn off tailored experiences. Turn off view diagnostic data. Scroll down. Set feedback frequency to never. Then click on Delete. Click on Activity History. Uncheck Store My Activity History on this device. Turn off your accounts under Show Activities from these accounts. Then click on Clear. Click OK. Location, off. Camera, off, unless you are using it. Notifications, off. Account info, off. Contacts, off. Calendar, off. Phone calls, off. Call history, off. Email, off. Tasks, off. Messaging, off. Radios, off. Other devices, off. Background apps, off. App diagnostics, off. Remember, if you are using or planning to use any of these options or features, turn them back on. Close this window. Click on the search box. Type in, this PC. Click with the right mouse button on it. Then click on Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Go to the Remote tab. Uncheck Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer, unless you are using it. Go to the Advanced tab. Click on Settings. For the best performance, check Adjust for best performance. I'm going to keep it the way it is. Go to Data Execution Prevention. Check Turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only. Go to the Advanced tab. Set Adjust for best performance of 2 programs. Then click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then choose the drive that has the paging files on it. Check No Paging Files. Then click on Set. Click Yes. Click OK. Click OK. Then click on Change. Select a drive from the list. It's recommended to be an SSD. Check System Managed Size. Then click on Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Restart later. Close this window. Click on the search box. Type in, choose a power plan. Click on it. Set preferred plans to high performance. If you don't see it, click on this arrow. It should appear down here. After that, we will install an application to help us customize the power plan more. It's called Quick CPU. It's free and easy to download and install. Once you are in the application, make sure System Power Plan is set to high performance. Set core parking to 100%. Set frequency scaling to 100% for the best performance, but if you want the CPU to take some breaks whenever the system is idle or not under heavy load, set it to 5%. Set turbo boost to 100%. Set performance to 100%. Click Apply. Click OK. Close the application. Now press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. Type in msconfig. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Go to the Boot tab. Set timeout to 5. But if you have a high-end PC, you can try a value of 3, however, don't set it to 3 unless you have an SSD. I'm going to keep it at 5. Check No GUI boot. Then click on Advanced Options. Check Number of Processors. Set it to the highest number available. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Exit without restart. Press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. Type in %temp%. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Click on one of the files, then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. Press Delete on your keyboard. Check Do This for all current items. Then click Skip. Check Do This for all current items. Then click Skip. Click on this PC. Click with the right mouse button on the C local drive. Then click on Properties. Click on Disk Cleanup. Click on Clean System Files. Check all the items in this list. Click OK. Click Delete Files. The tool will start cleaning the disk. Now we are going to disable some features in some applications that you might be using, such as Google Chrome or any browser, Discord, Spotify. After that, click on the search box. Type in CMD. Click with the right mouse button on Command Prompt. Then click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. We are going to use 2 commands. You will find them in the description. Paste the first command. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Let it finish. Paste the second command. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Let it finish. After that, click on the Start in the taskbar. Click on Power. Then click on Restart. For even more performance boost, check out these options on screen now. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, consider like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.